packet losses or data loss, it will lose that. So let's consider two PCs, PC1 and PC2 and one switch. Here Ethernet ports, I am considering interface E1. Here E0. This is the I am assigning IP address for this PC1. Now I am pinging this. I am pinging this IP from PC1 to PC2. Whenever I was trying to ping this IP address, so it will generate ICMP echo request. ICMP means Internet Control Messaging Protocol. It contains headers such as source MAC, destination MAC, source IP, and destination IP. I am assigning, assuming this PC1 MAC address as AA and PC2 MAC address as BB. Here, in this ICMP echo request packet, here source IP is AA. We don't know destination MAC because the PC1 doesn't know the MAC address of this PC2, so it will be unknown. And here source IP is 1.168.1.100 and destination IP is 168.1.1. This is the destination IP. So here we don't know the destination MAC. So it will generate here for finding the unknown destination MAC address based on this IP address. We will use ARP request, ARP table, address resolution protocol. It will generate the ARP request packet. It contains sender MAC. Here sender MAC will be AA. We are sending this, generating PC1 here. Generating ARP request packet here PC1, so the sender MAC will be AA, and here target MAC. Here target MAC will be broadcast because when you are trying to ping first time, it will broadcast to every device connected to the switch. And here sender IP is there. Sender IP is the PC1 IP, and target IP is PC2 IP. This is the ARP request packet. Now this ARP request packet, it will goes to the switch. Switch will only understand the MAC addresses. So it contains MAC address table. In this, it contains the interfaces, firstly interfaces and MAC addresses. Here the ARP request packet, it's hitting on the switch, so the sender here, it will MAC address table will learn the sender MAC address. Here sender MAC address will be sender MAC address AA. It stores in the MAC address table and it will goes to the PC2. It will broadcast to PC2 and PC2 will notify that this IP belongs to mine. So the PC2 will generate the ARP replay. Before that, the PC2 will learn that ARP, like it stores the details of source IP and source MAC in the ARP table. Interfaces, IP address, MAC address. Here IP address is the 1.100 and MAC address is the AA. It will learn, the PC2 will learn this ARP table, it shows the data, and again now PC2 will generate the ARP reply. ARP reply will contains sender MAC. Here sender MAC is the BB. Now we are sending this from PC1 to PC2. So sender MAC is the BB and target MAC is the AA. Because this is the target, we need to send that MAC address. Sorry. And the sender IP. Sender IP is the this one PC2 IP. And target IP. Here PC1 IP. This is the ARP replay packet. Now the ARP replay packet, it will unicast. First time when you try to ping, it will broadcast to everyone. Now this it knows the target MAC, so it will unicast to the exact PC1 device. This ARP replay packet, it will goes to here, and here it checks the MAC address table will learn the source MAC address, so it stores in the B this table. This is the MAC address table. Now it will comes to the PC1. Again PC1 will learn the ARP table. It stores that IP address of PC2 and MAC address of PC2 here. Stores the PC2 MAC address. Is the ARP table for PC2. Now we know the destination MAC. The PC1 will knows the destination MAC. Now the ICM MPA request will comes to the picture. Here the destination MAC will be BB. Now it will goes to the switch. Here it verifies the destination MAC because which one understand the destination MAC. MAC addresses. So here BB. Here BB is the MAC table. Here interface is E0, so it exists through E0. It goes to the PC2, and here the PC2 will generate the IC echo replay packet. ICMP echo replay packet. It contains sender MAC. Here sender MAC will be BB. It's sending to the PC1, and destination MAC here A, and source IP is 192.168.1.150 is the PCB source IP. The destination IP is 192.168.1.11. This is the IC echo replay packet. It will go to the switch and again checks that MAC address table. Here destination MAC is AA. That respect to interface is E1, so it will exist through E1, and the PC1 will know. In this way, it checks that ping. We know that there is a reachability between two devices. This is the backend process. Thank you.
దీంట్లో టైప్ రేట్ కోడ్స్ సంథింగ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దేనికోసం వస్తుంది? ఎక్కడ రిప్లై ప్యాకెట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ టైప్ 840 టైప్ 040
మనకి ఎంపీ టైప్ 8 కోడ్ టైప్ 8 కోడ్ 0 అయితే రిక్వెస్ట్, టైప్ 0 కోడ్ 0 అయితే రిప్లై.